Kate from Table of Plenty is here, and we're going to showcase the good old cauliflower today.
We are. We're going to put some dukkah on it and roast it in the oven and then serve it with a salad.
Cauliflower that's been roasted has such an intense flavour, any vegetable for that matter.
It does. The amazing thing about it is it caramelizes, and I think that just changes it from that old kind of mashed, steamed stuff into something totally different.
Now we've preheated our oven to 180 degrees and we're going to roast this.
That's right. So we're going to pop it all onto the tray and we're going to coat it in some olive oil.
And no dukkah at this stage?
No dukkah at this stage. We're going to cook it for 10 minutes. And then we're going to cook it again for another 10 minutes after the dukkah's been added so it doesn't burn.
That's a very good tip. I think a lot of people would feel the need to put the spice on immediately, but then you just burn it. It's just not the right way to do it.
Yeah. So a little tip is to turn the florets down and put the stalks so they're actually on the tin foil, because they will caramelise, and that's what gives you that amazing flavour of roasted cauliflower.
All right, they can go in for their first cook. Okay.
So Justine, while that's in the oven, I'll get you to chop up a little bit of the coriander and prepare the pomegranate and avocado.
Okay, and some onion.
I'll put together the dressing. So my dressing is a mix of tahini and kefir, which is a fermented yogurt product. So it's like a milk that's got different bacteria. It's much more potent and multi-strain. So it's amazing for your gut. It is in most supermarkets. It's got a tart flavour, but the main thing is really its health properties. It's just very, very good for you.
Nice.
So what I'm doing is putting them both together in this bowl.
Okay.
So I'm just going to add some lemon into this and some lemon zest. So I'm just going to do the lemon zest first.
This is a really nice creamy dressing that's going to go with all of these other flavours, but also avocado is going to give this some creaminess too.
It is, it is.
And I guess all these vegetables and fruit can be interchangeable. So,
yeah, they can. I mean, I think that, you know, some flavours obviously go better than others together. But what I love about putting the kefir and the tahini together is that tahini needs something to make it thinner and then it thickens out again, so it emulsifies. Right. And it works so well with a yogurt kefir, and it will just taste amazing.
And we should say all of these flavours also go with the many different spices, nuts and seeds that are in the dukkah.
Correct, that's right. We're actually using the pistachio dukkah today, which is our traditional one. So it's got the coriander and cumin flavours in there. Ground coriander, not the leaf. We're adding the leaf afterwards. And that's the traditional kind of original kind of flavour profile of a dukkah. And that pairs with the pistachios just beautifully. Dukkah originates in the Middle East, so every family would have its own recipe, and I spent a long time when we first launched it on the market making sure that we'd really perfected it and made it suitable for Australian tastes while still staying true to its origins. Yep. The pistachio one's got this amazing colour as well. It's got this kind of green. You can see the pistachios and the sesames.
Yum. And pomegranate. I'm going to use half of this in the salad.
It sounds wonderful. It is so beautiful, and the colour is just stunning, like ruby red.
Now this is, I find, the easiest way to get the seeds out is just tapping it. I've tried all different ways, but I find this just leaves the pith behind, so all we have are those gorgeous, sweet little seeds. Okay, that is done. We simply have to wait for that cauliflower to finish cooking. We're going to add some dukkah, cook it for a further 10 minutes, and we're almost ready to taste this delicious salad.
Sounds really good.
Kate, how great does this cauliflower look? It shrinks a little, but it's caramelised and it smells so good with that dukkah over it.
It does, and what's amazing is all the oils have activated out of the seeds and nuts, and it's just going to be amazing. So if you can pop it in the bowl, and we'll plate it up.
Okay. And it's a good idea to let it cool slightly because you don't want to be adding that piping hot to our coriander. It'll wilt too much, and our avocado's in there too, so don't forget that. Done.
Wow.
Give that a little mix. The colours are fantastic.
They are good greens and the beautiful golden cauliflower and the ruby pomegranate.
Very nice.
Amazing. So if we plate it up, and I'll drizzle our tahini and kefir dressing on top.
So I like your plate option, a very generous sort of share style plate.
Exactly. That's my favourite style of eating. Big platters of everything in the middle of the table and everyone helps themselves.
Looks like a work of art, doesn't it?
Table of plenty. That's what I always say. Amazing. So I'm just going to drizzle this dressing on top. And just cauliflower with tahini is just the most delicious mixture.
I can see this with a slow cooked lamb on the side.
Absolutely.
Or as is, of course, because there's nothing wrong with getting lots of veggies onto your plate and some pomegranate to finish, because who could resist? Just a few of those little jewels, let them fall. There we go, maybe a pinch of salt.
Now the nice thing about this is you can serve it a little bit warm or cold. So it's something you can make ahead of time.
Kate, this is a really lovely way to showcase very classic avocado and cauliflower. It looks restaurant quality.
It does, and what's amazing is it will keep your vegetarian guests happy as well.
Absolutely.